It's Christmas Day. Just finished uploading. Sitting here with the pups. They're all on their chargers. I'm afraid to get up. So it means that they're going to go crazy. Let's go see what I can do. Brand new windshield. It's actually kind of heavy. They packed it in there pretty good. Obviously they didn't want it to get broken. So let me put the camera down, get this out of here. Overnight, maybe for another day or two. There is a special tool to get this lock ring in there, and I don't have it. So I've been struggling along with a lot of Windex and these, and tell you what, I'm probably not going to be able to feel my hands tomorrow. But the goal here is to get this pressed in just like that. I can get half of it, a lot harder than it looks, shaped like this. It needs to get into that groove here. Okay, so it'll look like that. The glass would be here on my thumb, and I guess the rim of the windshield frame would go on that side. I didn't get really far last night. It started getting dark on me, so went inside. Anyway, when you're roping in a seal, be careful because it will shred your seal if you're not careful. This is on the top and it is solid, it's just on the inside, so it looks a little gross. But I will have a rearview mirror like stuck to this. So in the meantime, I'm working on this. This is the worst part of it, is in the corners. I do not have the tool. I tried making a few. Tried using some stuff off the hand. This doesn't work. I mean, I tried, but not really working out to the best of what I had hoped. Old paint can opener. Trying to get it in there and peeling this away, but seal gets in the way. So let me set you up and I'll show you how I'm actually doing this. There are better ways to do it. I'm just doing it this way. It's clean. Looks pretty good. Got a vent gasket that goes under this, so I'm gonna go find myself a, I think it's 7/16 for that. And then I've got a little painting to do right here. Two options. Could put it sideways like this. Put it up and down. I have blue paint. I think I'm going to go with this one. being named. It's like a boat. Can't change it now. Bad luck if you did. It's 66 degrees outside. It feels way hotter than that. So, alright, 3 coats. I'm going to take the plastic off and see how it looks under there. I never seem to figure out how much time I need to sand and then also paint stuff. So this is just primer, but holy crap, it took me all day. So anyway, redneck wind chime again. This time, got a couple extra little things. Got the steering column out here too. So, alright, that's it for now.